I shall not take very long. Professor Irfan Habib is, of course, perhaps the most iconic academic intellectual in the country at this moment. But his iconic status comes not just because of his being the doyen among historians, but also because he has consistently raised his voice against injustice, against exploitation, against oppression. This is something which actually he started doing very early in life. He became a member of the Communist Party very early in his student days, and subsequently he even wrote a letter to the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru against the injustice of denying scholarships to communist students who had qualified for it for going abroad. Such were the times that Jawaharlal Nehru actually asked him to come and meet him. And he actually met, they had a talk, after which that ban was lifted. Professor Irfan Habib was among the first to actually go abroad, despite his being a part of the Communist Party. And the outcome of that visit was his magnum opus, The Agrarian System of Mughal India. There is, of course, a view which one often comes across that being politically active is something which does not befit a proper intellectual, that a proper intellectual should be detached from politics. This Philistine view is something which is negated by the examples of some of the outstanding intellectuals of the last 100 years. Albert Einstein was politically very active, J.D. Bernal was politically very active, and of course Jean-Paul Sartre was also very active. In our country, the negation of this assertion is Professor Irfan Habib. It is our great good fortune that he actually has come to speak to us today, and it's a fitting tribute to the memory of Comrade Sitaram Yechury that Professor Habib is going to be delivering the first Sitaram Yechury Memorial Lecture. Thank you.